The community has been there for us. There have been parades, there's been people holding up signs outside the hospital, gifts and meals and all sorts of generosity from the community to support what's going on here at the hospital. So we're always looking to make sure that we're giving back. And so this is just a great opportunity for us this year to focus on neurosurgery, on spine, which, as you've heard, is such a huge need in our community and in our state.
The Zeem curve navigation technology is a sophisticated piece of equipment that we use for spine surgery, where we use so-called GPS of the spine to place instrumentation into the spine.
It has been present for quite a bit longer in the intracranial or brain side of things, where it's helped us locate brain tumors, but now in spine it's rapidly becoming the standard of care so that we can give our patients the best possible outcomes.
I went about my achy backy life for about another close to 9 months, and then I had a bad episode of the expression of the problems. I called up Zia and said, it's a go. He is every bit the talented human being that I thought he was as a doctor. Zia said I could probably play golf again in 12 weeks. By the end of 4 weeks after that, I was playing full regular golf again. Little doubt to no doubt that without that procedure and that outcome, I would be in a wheelchair today. So I wouldn't be able to do anything as I do. I wouldn't be able to walk down here and talk to you.
If we can provide what we call the whole spectrum of care, from the medical interventions, physical therapy, interventional procedures, and finally surgery, and if we can provide all of that at Newport, there's no question that that's going to benefit the people of Newport, and so they don't really have to travel to get their care elsewhere.
The Zeem technology, the Curve computer software that goes along with it, will really allow Newport Hospital to raise its service to the level of the Miriam and Rhode Island Hospital. And we'll have the same surgeons that are part of that Norman Prince Neurosciences Institute.
Spinal disorders and back pain, it's a very common condition, and a good proportion of the people would be affected from this in Newport. And so you will make a trip to your physician, you will make a trip to your emergency room. And having the tools to address that most effectively at your doorsteps is priceless.
By expanding the Norman Prince Spine Institute at Newport Hospital and bringing the sophisticated neuronavigation equipment for the spine there, we're able to bring up-to-date, personalized technology closer to you. We're able to address your specific spinal need.
Having that equipment here in Newport Hospital would be a game changer, I would think, for a lot of people in Newport County, because it's just easier to be in Newport than it is in Providence.
Newport is a special place, and I see that when I go down there, and it's particularly wonderful to see the love and support that the community has for this institution and the incredible history, 150 years of Newport Hospital being supportive of the community and supported by the community, and that is just a beautiful, wonderful thing.
Many of you may know that Newport Hospital was really founded on philanthropy, and the hospital exists because of the fact that people came together and said we need to be able to provide services for our community. So fast forward 150 years, and now we're asking the community again to step up to be able to support this, to be able to provide this service at this really world-class level at Newport Hospital. And it's because of the generosity and the support of the community that we serve, and so many of you, that these sorts of services are made possible. And what a beautiful place to have care, and what a fantastic team to have taken care of them.